What causes a frozen iPhone? Any idea how to unfreeze iPhone at short notice? Take it easy. We will walk you through possible reasons and solutions in the following. Part 2. How to unfreeze iPhone in 10 quick ways. Way 1. Charge your iPhone. When you aren't sure whether a battery that is about to run out is causing the symptom, charging your iPhone before shutting down and restarting it later might work. Way 2. Reset all settings. Making it won't do anything to the iOS data, but reset your settings to their defaults, including network settings, location settings, keyboard dictionary, privacy settings, Apple Pay card, etc. Way 3. Update apps. Run App Store and tap the Account tab. Scroll down to locate all apps with updates available. Press Update All to get the single or all apps updated. Way 4. Delete faulty apps. Hold down the app you wish to delete. Choose Remove App, Delete App when a menu with options turns up. Finally, press Delete to confirm the action. Way 5. Free up iPhone storage. Once alerts pop up frequently from your iPhone screen, telling you there's not enough storage, please free up space by going to its Settings, General iPhone Storage. Then create more memory by uninstalling unwanted apps and deleting unnecessary files. Way 6. DFU Restore your iPhone. DFU Device Firmware Update and Advanced Recovery Mode gives you the ability to reinstall all software and firmware on your device. Yet this mode will erase all your iOS content afterward. Way 7. Check diagnostics and usage. Proceed to iPhone settings, privacy analytics data. Some apps and services may be listed over and over again, or any apps are displayed nearby late crash. Delete or offload them. Way 8. Update iOS. Start by tapping your device's settings, General. Choose Software Update before you get a notification if there's an update available. Finally, click Download and Install. Way 9. Restore from iTunes. Link your iPhone to your computer through USB. Install the latest version of iTunes on the same computer. After your phone is recognized, select the device icon. Go to Summary, Restore iPhone. Way 10. Hard reset iPhone. Doing a hard reset on your iPhone will restore its setting to the initial configuration.